welcome to another episode of the Masters of Movement. I'm joined by Dr. Matt Zanis, and we're going to be talking about activating the lats with the one-arm dumbbell row. I've been watching a lot of people do this on the different programs, especially Jack Street, where we've been using it as an accessory movement and really just to get a ton of volume with our pulls. So I'm going to take Matt over here to the rack, and I'm going to show you how I would like it executed for you executing a power athlete program. Matt's going to start by resting his hand on the rack. He's going to stagger his feet. He's going to go down. He's going to grab that dumbbell. And I wanted him to set up good tight core. Everything's nice, locked and loaded. Now, when this dumbbell travels, I want to focus on the elbow coming back, almost like you're trying to drag the elbow along the rib cage, like you're trying to start a match. So as he rows back, I'm going to have him pause for a second just so you can see it. Good. And then bring it straight down. I want to give him 5 of those. Don't really need the pause. If you want to do it, you're more than welcome. But really, you see his elbow traveling back, and he's pulling the dumbbell into his hip. He's maintaining good position. He's staying nice and tight in his trunk. Everything's nice, locked and loaded. And he's using that hand on the rack so he can maintain this good 45. And what he's really focusing on is engaging the lat. Now, we use this movement as a good supplement when we're trying to get a ton of volume within our pulls. But really what I love is the unilateral pull and the balancing aspect and the fact that I get to really lock my trunk down and stay nice and tight. So what'd you think, Dr. Zanis?
I love that movement. One, it grows big upper back, which is actually extremely helpful for big, healthy shoulders.
Cool. Well, you heard it here. Masters of Movement. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Masters of Movement. If you want more information, come check us out at powerathletehq.com and look to sign up for our newsletter. We got a ton of training content, discounts on merch, and a whole bunch of information that you might miss on the internet. So if you're also looking for the best training programs in the business, look for powerathletehq/training. Remember, we're looking to empower your performance, so it's easier if you just jump on the Power Athlete bus because we're going to get you there. See ya.